Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Gantt chart using Microsoft Excel 2016. Let's get started. The first thing that we're going to do is calculate the duration for each task. We'll do that in column D. So go ahead and label that duration. And then simply find the difference between the two dates. Select the cell D2, type in equals, end date, minus the start date. Then press enter. We want that for each task, so just drag that down. Next, we're going to start building the chart with the start date data. Highlight cells B1 to B9. Then click Insert, Charts, All Charts, choose Bar, then Stack Bar, then hit OK. Following that, we'll include the duration data in the actual stack bar chart. Right-click anywhere in the chart, click Select Data, Add, and then your series name will be duration. Your series values will be your duration values. Highlight cells D2 to D9. Once done, hit OK. And since we're already here, we can include the axis labels as well. Click on Edit. Select all of your tasks from cell A2 to A9. Then hit OK. Next, right-click on our start date data in the actual bar chart, which is all the blue, and then select No Fill. After that, we'll want to reorder this task because we can see that Project Kickoff should be our first task, and it's actually all the way at the bottom. To do that, you're just going to right-click on the tasks. Click Format Access, and then Categories in reverse order. Finally, let's clean up this dates range a bit. Now, if you didn't know this already, Excel starts counting dates from 1/1/1900. We can see that just by formatting this as either general or number, we can see that it's a 1. To clean up this date, we'll input the minimum and maximum bounds that we want. So the first thing we should do is take our earliest start date and our latest end date, and format this as either general or number. Our minimum is 43,834 and our maximum is 43,948. This cleans up the date range a bit. Select the horizontal axis, click the green plus icon, Axis, More Options, change the minimum and maximum. So there you have it. Here's your Gantt chart. Thanks for watching. And if you found this video useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more content like this.